Hello dear traders and investors. With you Analytical Service Guru, Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the corporation. If you want, you can pause it. You can study each parameter of the corporation being researched in more detail. Now let's look at the company's current performance indicators. LMND Inc., ticker LMND. This review was created using current information as of August 28, 2025. According to Classification.GURU.Markets, company LMND Inc. belongs to the subcategory Other Insurance. 19 organizations participate in the comparison. We will look at the decisions made towards the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: minus 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, it can be seen that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against a minus rating, 6.5 points for LMND Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price LMND Inc. and subcategory shares, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares LMND Incorporated showed a 189% growth rate. Against price changes in the subcategory 30.2%. Market capitalization of the company LMND Incorporated valued at $3.99 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $104 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.52 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $53 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share LMND Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 3.815%. The book value is 0.997%. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the company under analysis amount to $0.141 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 27% of capital. The company's debt performance, good, 1 point. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 18.3. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $204 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 8.1. Average for the subcategory is 1.2. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $490 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 41.6%, with an average of 6.3% in the subcategory. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.248%, which is 206% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $3,229,000. While in the subcategory there are $1,056,000. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is minus $165.2 thousand. Subcategory average, $57.7 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $397,000. In the subcategory, $913,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 28.3%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 3.2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 57% for the company Lemonade Incorporated. For the subcategory, this level is 57%. The company's current share price is around $53.98. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $42.34. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's analysis Lemonade Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Open a sell trade at $53.97. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively low rating and price dynamics. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment method, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 34.24. Stop loss is set at 73.7. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the deal will be closed automatically based on the results of trading on September 27, 2025. Or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, SUPV, will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system, Guru.Markets.